So, how you doing, folks? Welcome to Yam Yam Drinks Reviews and Audits. We're going to be out and about today. We're going to be looking at the Crooked House in Himley, I think it's Dudley Borough. I'm going to put you over to the GoPro in a bit, and we're going to drive down the lane. It's quite a bit of a long lane to get down to. I think the lane lets it down a little bit because it's a nice place. But the lane's a bit of a you'll see on the video in a bit. Yeah, I've got a bit of a bonus footage at the end. So once you've watched the video, if you keep it playing, you'll see some bonus footage and some bonus pictures I'm going to add on to the end of the video. You see little Yam Yam and Nell in the back there. Anyway, so yeah, hope you enjoy the video, guys. I'll shut up and enjoy. Cheers. I want to start filming from now because I wanted to show the drive down the pathway, a public footpath. So it is a public road. This is. It don't look like it, but it does say public right away at the start. But this is the drive down to the Crooked House. Down here. There's a bit of railway there that's going to just to go over. Fucking lot of potholes. Half a car there. See, I've got the tips just to the right there. I mean, it doesn't look the best, does it? But you know, a little sign saying Crooked House. The Crooked House now open. So yeah, if you've never been here before, if them signs weren't about, you'd think, where the hell am I going? It's not the best of roads to get to. Sorry if I sound a bit funny as well. I've snotted up today again. Yeah, carrying on down here. That big hill in front here is actually fucking potholes, man. Right in front of us there is a local tip, but the parking ain't the best down here either. So yeah, you should be able to see it in the camera now. You got the Crooked House straight in front. I'd say the public road ends around here. There you go. There is the Crooked House. We're going to get out, have a look round, take a drone up, see what we can see. Just find somewhere to park, and I'll see you in a minute. There you go. So we're out the car, all parked up. We're just making our way down through the Crooked House. And then in the dog in tow. No. I'll take on that. Yeah, well, looks like you'll be more pissed walking in before you come out. That's a Crooked up one. There's a Crooked House. You can see the right tilt on that. It's the bar all around. So we're outside the Crooked House now. There you go. Hello now. Hello now. Hello. I made a Guinness. Kind of 4 points. Look at that. I've had a Guinness.
I've got a Coke.
I've had some Coke. And yeah, it's quite nice around here. Nice and quiet. Playground at the back there for the kids. What's in there? And yeah, there you go. cooking house.
It's really nice in there.
On the inside, I'll try and get a video of it in a bit, but on the inside there's a wall that's, it's at an angle, isn't it? If you put a marble at the bottom of the wall, it rolls upwards. Just fun to see.
Okay, so we got this marble.
And then the marble at the wall trick.
Did we put it at the very end? I dropped it instead. There we go.
This is a drop it.
Okay, and then.
Crazy, isn't it?
Very.
Okay, this is a bit of a garden that I've got. It's at the back end of the restaurant. A nice little bridge. That stream. Yeah, nice little seating areas over there and that. Nels enjoyed it. He's out to drink my Guinness. Yes. That's quite cool. Look at this mate on a tree stump. Oh, quite cool, isn't it? So what we're going to do now, we're going to get the drone up. Let's have a fly about. So yeah, we'll cut to the drone footage and then I'll join you in a bit. Cheers. So there's the restaurant area. Very nice. I'm going to walk back to the car now. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. Don't really matter. Yeah, nice and clean pub. A little bit about it on there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please remember, like, subscribe, share and all that. And I'll see you again on another one. We might be in the pub, we might be out and about, who knows. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Alright, I can get one last shot as we're walking away, look. Ooh, doo, doo, doo. Ooh, doo, doo, doo.
Pint, please, landlord.
Yes, sir.
Do other people ask you what I want to ask you?
Well, a lot of people are surprised when they come into this place for the first time.
What's the matter with it?
Oh, in the region of 90 to 100 years ago, the house simply slid off a level, kept its own level at the one end and slid down in the region of, somewhere around about 6 feet out of upright in a period of years. It didn't go, of course, all in one night. Had it gone all in one night, it would have been broken. As you can see, the place isn't broken anyway.
Yeah, well, which end is up and which end is down?
Well, looking from here, you can see that end is up. And that, you ought to go upstairs.
I feel giddy here. He said, do you feel giddy?
No, never. I never felt giddy in here. I've always worked down here. Well, I've come down here like...
Weren't you giddy when you came in here for the first time?
At first, yeah.
How long did it take you to get over it?
Oh, about a week, like.
From the most cockeyed pub in England back to the Tonight Studio. Good night.